The AH-64 Apache in 2026. The evolution of precision and power. The AH-64 Apache, an icon of American air power, remains a symbol of precision, firepower, and battlefield dominance. Since its introduction in the 1980s, the Apache has been the backbone of attack helicopter forces across the globe. In 2026, the upgraded AH-64 continues to shape the future of aerial combat. Originally designed to destroy enemy tanks and support ground troops, the Apache's agility and advanced targeting systems made it invaluable in modern warfare. With the rise of asymmetric conflicts and advanced threats, the 2026 upgrade ensures the Apache remains lethal and relevant. The AH-64 Apache Upgrade 2026 features advanced avionics, a fully digital cockpit, and networked battlefield integration. It is equipped with upgraded Longbow radar, improved infrared sensors, and enhanced countermeasure systems to survive in high-threat environments. Armed with the 30mm chain gun Hydra 70 rockets, and the deadly AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, the upgraded Apache can strike with devastating accuracy. New missile systems introduced in the 2026 variant allow longer-range, precision-guided attacks against both armored and soft targets. The helicopter's survivability has also been enhanced with upgraded armor plating, engine performance improvements, and electronic warfare capabilities, enabling it to operate in contested airspace with greater confidence. Even after decades of service, the Apache continues to be exported, modernized, and deployed. Its success in combat zones like Iraq, Afghanistan, and the Middle East highlights its value in both conventional and unconventional warfare. In 2026, the AH-64 Apache represents more than just firepower. It embodies tactical flexibility and American aerospace innovation. Its continuous upgrades and battlefield performance prove that even legacy platforms can evolve into next-generation tools of war. The AH-64 Apache's legacy is not only about destruction but about adapting to a changing world. It remains a flying force multiplier and a symbol of air dominance for years to come.